NTPC and Indian Oil Corporation Limited signed an agreement for the formation of a joint venture company for meeting the power requirements of upcoming projects of Indian oil refineries. Gurdeep Singh, CMD, NTPC said, "The joint venture between the two energy majors for a common purpose is a classic example of teamwork and collaboration for others to follow." Shrikant Madhav Vaidya, Chairman, Indian Oil said that the two Maharatna PSUs can now leverage their capabilities to push forward the green growth agenda. In an important step toward bringing transparent solar cells to home windows, researchers at the University of Michigan have developed a way to manufacture their highly efficient and semi-transparent solar cells. The team developed a multi-step peel-off patterning method that achieved micron-scale resolution. They deposited thin films of plastic and patterned them into extremely thin strips. Then, they set down the organic and metal layers. Next, they peeled off the strips, creating very fine electrical interconnections between the cells. Eventually, the flexible solar cell panel will be sandwiched between two window panes. The goal for these energy-generating window films is to be about 50% transparent with 10%-15% efficiency. State-run Solar Energy Corporation of India has floated bids for procuring 1,680 megawatt peak capacity of domestically produced solar photovoltaic modules and cells. The last date for submitting bids is July 29 and the tender will be opened on the same day. The total capacity of 1680 MWP is proposed to be awarded to multiple bidders in single or double packages. The PV modules, including mandatory spares, will have to be supplied in phases during the delivery window from July 1, 2023, till March 31, 2024. Boeing and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries have signed an agreement collaborating on achieving the world's ambitious climate targets and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. The Memorandum of Understanding is focused on jointly studying enabling sustainable technologies, including hydrogen, electrification, sustainable materials, zero climate impact propulsion technologies, and new aircraft design concepts, as well as commercializing sustainable aviation fuels. Boeing and MHI will together study new feedstocks and technologies for SAF production, including in the area of green hydrogen and carbon capture. Karnataka Cooperative Milk Producers Federation has invited bids for installing and commissioning 100 megawatts of solar power projects under the group captive model for KMF and its other member unions. The successful bidder will also have to take care of the operation and maintenance of the project for 25 years. The total project cost is estimated at $3.92 billion. The last date to submit the bids is August 16, 2022. Bids will be opened on August 18. Bidders will have to submit $43.1 million as an earnest money deposit.